The problem really at MXD we were trying to solve was how do we share the data that we have on our demonstration space? We have a 20,000 square foot demonstration space that really shows Industry 4.0 in action so that people that visit it, the 12,000 people a year, can understand how this applies. So with Software AG, with the Cumulocity platform, that is providing a standard interface to share all of this IoT data, whether it's from our discrete manufacturing cells, our process manufacturing cells, whether it's facility data for our HVAC system, or it's some of the electric chargers that we have in the parking lot. So how do we share all that with a common interface no matter where the sources are? And Cumulocity was great for doing that. From our membership at a broader perspective, they're looking at how to take factory data especially and connect it in for preventative maintenance. How do they do predictive maintenance? Instead of going on timeline based, they go on condition based. How do they take the data off their factory floor, connect it with their enterprise systems to start optimizing their planning? So it's really a foundational amount of data that you're trying to collect, but more importantly, they're trying to make it actionable. Again, I think the flexibility of Cumulocity, they can interface with a lot of different sources underneath of data, but also connect with enterprise systems on the top. That's what makes it a unique solution that our members are appreciating.